Ready? నా పేరు K.Lakshmaiah, చీఫ్ రిజర్వేషన్ ఇన్స్పెక్టరు. ఈరోజు నేను రిటైర్ అవుతున్నాను. 37 సంవత్సరాల సర్వీస్ చేశాను. 1985లో నేను కొత్తగా బుకింగ్ క్లర్క్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యాను, ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను. తర్వాత ECRCగా వచ్చాను. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రిటైర్ అయ్యే ముందు నేను చీఫ్ రిజర్వేషన్ ఇన్స్పెక్టరు గత 10 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక రైల్వేతో చెప్పాలి అంటే రైల్వే నేను అనుకున్న దానికంటే ఎక్కువే ఇచ్చింది. రైల్వే నాకు చాలా సహాయం చేసింది, నేను ఎదగటానికి దోహదపడింది. నేను అందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను రైల్వేస్కి, గవర్నమెంట్కి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మీకు దీంట్లో మీ ఇంతకాలంలో సర్వీస్లో మీకు ఎక్కువ సహకరించిన మీ కొలీగ్స్?
ఇంకా నాకు చాలా మా ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా కొలీగ్స్, నా మిత్రుడు నిర్మల్ శివాజీ, అరుణ్ కుమార్, వీళ్ళందరూ చాలా సహకరించారు. మా చీఫ్ రిజర్వేషన్ ఇన్స్పెక్టరు మిస్టర్ నిర్మల్ శివాజీ చాలా సహకరించారు. వారి సహకారాలతో నేను ఇంతగా ఈరోజు హ్యాపీగా రిటైర్ కాగలుగుతున్నాను. ఇంకా నా కొలీగ్స్ కూడా చాలా సిన్సియరు, డెడికేటెడ్. వాళ్ళందరూ ఎప్పుడు టైంకు వచ్చి వారి వారి యొక్క డ్యూటీలు సరిగ్గా చేసుకుంటూ పబ్లిక్ కంప్లైంట్స్ లేకుండా వాళ్ళ యొక్క డ్యూటీస్ని కరెక్ట్గా చేయడం వల్ల సికింద్రాబాద్ రిజర్వేషన్ ఆఫీసు యొక్క పేరు చాలా రైల్వే బోర్డులో కూడా చాలా మంచి పేరు ఉంది మన సికింద్రాబాద్ రిజర్వేషన్ ఆఫీస్కు. ఇదంతా మా కొలీగ్స్, మా CRI వాళ్ళనే సాధ్యపడింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
If you have to talk about my dad, the first thing that you get into your mind is helping nature. Yes. So he is always a go-to person when you need any help, and that's what has been taught to us also. And we, being his children, we are lucky. We are lucky to have a father like him. Every father sacrifices a lot, and even my dad did a lot of sacrifices, and that's why we all are here. And yes, like Uncle said, we all studied BTech, MBA, dental, and we are all in a working position. And it is all because of my dad, and we give only a thank you to our dad and nobody else. So that's all. We are lucky to be his children, and we are proud. We are proud of him, and we will always be proud about him. So yeah, that's all. So thank you one and all, whoever is here, and thank you for giving your valuable time for my dad's last working day. Yeah.
Him. KL is a very fond person for everybody, and he is the most helpful person, and he is serving as a Sangh treasurer, and even without being an office bearer of Sangh, he has done lot of things for the employees. Each employee, every employee, he will not see who it is, to which organization he belongs to, or what type of individual he is. Anybody comes and asks a small help or a big help, he will outrightly help them. And I have seen him in many cases. He will go to the officer, he will speak to the officer. If need be, he must speak to a supervisor, he will speak to the supervisor, and he will ask the supervisor why it cannot be done and why this is being delayed. That is the attitude. And he will not forget things. He will keep tracking of things. He will go to the office. He will see that the employee's concern is done or not. Until it is done, he will not sleep. So that is the attitude. That should be very, very important for a trade union organization employee. Whoever works for trade unions, we must work hard for the employees. Each employee, we must write down in a diary what is the concern, what help he needs. So that one. And even, and he is very, very, and he has told me many a times, after performing duty, he will go to a function, but he will not go to a function and come to office. That is his way of working. He says, my mind should be cool when I come to work. So that is what is his sincerity. Sincerity is very, very important, and he will see the minute things, what is required for the day-to-day working, and he will do things very well. So today, now he is retiring. So the second innings he is going to start from tomorrow. So for that, I wish Lakshmaiah Garu, their family members, friends, everybody, and wish them very good luck. And with this, I like to conclude. And first of all, I would thank each and everybody who have come here to felicitate him. That is great. See, he is having so many fan following. And today being 31st or 1st, many of them have not come. If not, more crowd would have come. And he has a very good fan following, not only in ECRC, booking clerks, TNCs, everywhere, office, all Sanchalan Bhavan. He has lot of friends. So we must inculcate what good he has from him. So I wish them good luck. I thank all my friends and colleagues who have come here. Thank you very much.